Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm Disha and I'm here to help you transform your house into a home. Diwali is just a week away and I'm planning to give my living room a festive makeover, but that video will come little later. Today I'm gonna share two festive DIYs with you all, and first one is super easy. I'm gonna show you what did I do with my son's broken study table. So without further ado, let's start. Anything broken is usually termed as trash, but it can actually be transformed into treasure. Wanna see how? Let's begin. So this is my son's mini study table and it's actually broken, and as you can see it is non-repairable. I tried to fix it but it cannot be repaired, so I thought of transforming it. First I removed all the screws and hardware. Here I am removing all the corners as well. It's done, and now on the top, as you can see, it's a sticker. So I removed the sticker as well as tape which was pasted all around the edges, and since the edges were quite rough, so I sanded them and then filled it with wood filler, let it dry, and after removing that sticker I had to wash the top since it was sticky. Once it was dried, I drew this pattern freehand and then filled all the colors. As many of you already know that I really love Indian art forms, so here I tried to make a hybrid of Gond and Madhubani painting. Then I sprayed the varnish to seal my work, and here you can see I have these two beautiful brass handles which I'm gonna stick on this tabletop, and for that I'm using industrial glue here. I'm gonna share all the available options of industrial glue in the description box, so please check out. And here I am using some embellishments to decorate the tray. And here you can see the edges have dried. I am gonna sand it again so that it is nice and smooth. Then I am priming it with white acrylic color, and once it dries I am gonna paint gold color on it. It's ready, and here is how it looks. In my next DIY, I'm gonna transform simple plain puja thali into a festive one. I'm transforming thali. You can transform anything like kalash, diya or anything. So here I have taken plain puja thali, and now again I am using industrial glue. Then I am sticking some pearl embellishments on the edge of the thali. Here you go. After that, I pasted some mirrors and some more embellishments on the thali. These are all acrylic stones. Now if you wish, you can stick diya in the center, or maybe you can add few more things like haldi kumkum holders or anything else that you wish. And the thali is ready for the festivities. That's all for today, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, watch either this video or this. Bye bye. Wish you all love, luck and sunshine.